Hey everybody, this is Frank with AquaPhoenix.
Hola,
And tomorrow is the AWT
definitivamente no soy
convention in Palm
Frank.
Springs, California.
Mañana es
Everyone at
AWT
AquaPhoenix
en
and
Palm Springs.
H2tronics is really
Todos
excited to
en
get there
AquaPhoenix
and
y
excited to meet with all
H2tronics
the
estamos
customers and all of our
emocionados
friends.
de
A
reunirse
few
con
things I
todos
wanted to
los
touch
clientes
on
y
is
amigos.
first, please come by our booth. I don't know what booth number we're in. You'll find us.
Primero,
Please
visita
walk around
nuestro booth
and
número
find the crowd of people and the people
139.
laughing
Está
out loud
justo
and having a
ahí en
good
el
time
papel,
out of
Frank.
the AquaPhoenix
¡Qué
HQ.
vaina!
First thing I want to talk about is Panel Builder. We're excited about Panel Builder. It's an online
Estamos
configurator so you
emocionados
can
para
build your own
presentar
panels. It
Panel
then gives you a
Builder.
spec
Es
sheet of
una
everything to put on the
herramienta de
panel and then gives you
configuración
a
en
quote. It's
línea.
really
Es
simple, it's
simple,
really
muy
fast,
rápido y
and
la gente
people
le
have
gusta.
been very excited about adding this to their repertoire of how they can get panels quoted quickly. We have some giveaways with Panel Builder, whether it's a Yeti cooler or a Bose
Estamos
audio
regalando un
headphone sunglasses,
enfriador de
and we're
Yeti o
excited
gafas
about
de
offering
sol
those for you.
Bose.
Please come by the booth
Visítanos para
and we'll show
aprender
you what we're
más.
talking about. E-Service Report now we're calling ESR with Flex Reports. This is
eService
probably the
Report,
largest update
ahora
that we've
estamos
done for
llamando
eService
ESR
Report,
con
and
Flex
it is
Reports.
it
Esta es la
allows
mayor
full flexibility
modernización
with
que
whatever
hemos
kind of
hecho en un
report you want to
tiempo.
do. So now if it's
Permite
not
una
just a
flexibilidad,
boiler or
todo
cooling
con
tower
cualquier
report, now
tipo
you can do
de
and
informe que
customize any
desea
type of
hacer.
report.
Adam ha hecho
Adam has
un
done a great
buen
job of putting
trabajo
together a
de
great upgrade in
reunir
that
una
area.
gran
Please come and see some
actualización
live
en
demos
esa área.
and take a look
Ven
at
a
what
ver
we've done
una
there.
demo en
The
vivo.
second promo that we're offering is around filtration. We have a new filtration
Hable
Nexan
con
line,
nuestro
and
equipo
we're giving
sobre
away Yeti coolers
filtración
if you
y
place an
ganar
order
un
for a
enfriador de
Nexan filter
Yeti con
system.
su próximo
Come to our
pedido.
booth and talk to Keith
Ven a
Carl and the
ver
crew
Keith
about
Carl
that new
para
model.
aprender más.
Also, as always, our testing product line. At AquaPhoenix, you've been familiar with all the products, brand agnostic, that we offer, the best that are
Ofrecemos
out there in
las
the market,
mejores
and
marcas
whether it's
en
from
una
Hawk or
sola orden
Myronell
de
or
compra.
Lamont or Pixis or
Contamos con un
whoever, we have
excelente
their
equipo
all-in-one
de
purchase
soporte
order. We
técnico.
support all of that with our
Ven a
technical
verlo para
support, and
aprender
please come and take a
más.
look at that. And of course, one thing that I know is a crowd favorite at
Por
AWT are our
supuesto,
free
sé que
hats.
a
So we have
muchos le
tons of hats
gustan
that we're
las
going to be
gorras
offering and giving
gratis.
out.
¡Qué buena
One of the things that
oferta!
excites us is to see
Usa el
everybody
hashtag
possible at the AWT
MyAPSHat
show
en
walking around with
sitios
AquaPhoenix hats.
comunitarios
That's
como
just
Facebook,
badass and we love
LinkedIn
it.
y Twitter.
Um,
Nos
and that's
encantamos
basically
ver
what
la
we're looking
gente
forward to
pasando
with this
con las
convention.
gorras
We
de
are excited to be
AquaPhoenix.
there, excited to see our
Ya es
customers,
todo.
and super
Esperemos
excited to have
verles
a
en
beer with everybody.
AWT
We're
y
looking
tal
forward
vez
to it. Thank you
tomarse
very
una
much.
cerveza con nosotros. Muchas gracias.